Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to download and install iOS 16 using iTunes. Let's have a look. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max to update iOS 16. The following iPhones support iOS 16. It's recommended to backup your device before installing software updates. The easiest way to update iPhone iOS 16, just go to settings, then scroll down little bit and tap general, then tap software update. Make sure your iPhone connected with Wi-Fi and it will start checking for new updates. Tap upgrade to iOS 16. Total file size 3.11 GB. By tapping download and install, you can easily download and install iOS 16 on your iPhone. But if you would like to use iTunes to update iOS 16, from your Windows PC, open iTunes. To open iTunes, click Start menu, then search for iTunes. Make sure iTunes installed on your computer. Open iTunes app. Now connect your iPhone with PC using data cable. When your phone connected with your PC, a new iPhone software version 16.0 is available for iPhone. Would you like to update your iPhone now? Click Update. This will start downloading the new software version iOS 16.0 on your computer, and it will take some time to download full updates. After download, enter the passcode to continue iOS update. iTunes start extracting software. Do you want to backup your iPhone to be encrypted? Click Don't Encrypt. This will start backing up your iPhone. When backup done, preparing iPhone for software update. Then it will start verifying updating your iPhone software, then updating your iPhone firmwares. Your iPhone will restart several times. That's it. Your iPhone has been updated and restarting. Please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in the iTunes window after it restarts. Now click on the phone icon and check for updates. iPhone 16.0. So these are the steps to download and install iOS 16 via iTunes. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.